What a great question, and thank you so much for asking with honesty, because I would not be here if I wasn't going to be honest with you. So, number one, if you don't know me, my name is Christy, and I walked away from my teaching career because my husband at the time was a county judge that asked me just to come home because I was spending 8 to 16 hours a day teaching. And so I did. But then I came home. We have 10 beautiful grandkids, and I was like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? And so I searched online just like you are, my friend, wondering what is out there and what is legit. And so I bought programs. I bought courses. I bought all of this stuff thinking that this was it, not understanding what is it. And so in April of 2024, I bought this program. And this program is an interactive program because you're never alone. We have over 59,000 people in our community that helps you on a daily basis. But more importantly, I will be your mentor that helps you. And then I have a mentor that helps me. And she is absolutely amazing. She's the one that developed this program. And so it is amazing that every Monday she gets online with us and does an interactive training with us online. Live Mondays, every Monday. So you're never alone. You're getting nuggets all the time. But more importantly, we're in a 90-day run to 30K. And in this 90-day run to 30K, she's giving a step-by-step every day skill to do, to create income for you. That's how legit this business is. You're never alone. We teach you how to go from launch to profit in 7 days. We teach you how to put your business on an automation system. Your system is completely done for you, so you're not having to develop your own webpage and everything else, or your funnels. All you're doing is plugging your personal information in order to get paid. So I appreciate your question, and I understand your concern, but I promise you I would never, ever offer someone an opportunity that was not legit, and I would never not help you on your journey. I have a free community on the school platform. It's called Building Digitally with Christy, and I highly encourage you to come over and just join my free community. There is so much free information in there, and I give you steps on a daily basis on what to do to improve where you are. So thank you for your question. I hope that answers your question for you, and it answered your question for a lot more people that's out there in the world too. So you're not the only one that's out there searching, but I promise you that whenever you get in and understand that there are a lot of things out there that's not legit, and there's things out there that you can learn a simple skill and you could set your family free. But more importantly, if you have a business, a brick and mortar business, and you're not knowing how to market it, that's in there. It's not a course to sell a course. It is an online interactive business that you can help other people learn how to work remotely 2 to 4 hours a day and get their time back with their family. So I hope this helps you. And if you have any other questions, please reply to my email at support@buildingdigitally.com, because I will answer every email and I'll be there to help you on your journey.